1. Meal planning and cooking at home. I remember when I first started meal planning, I was amazed at how much money I saved each week. Not only did my grocery bills shrink, but I also found myself eating healthier and wasting less food. Start by setting aside some time each week to plan your meals. Look through your pantry and fridge to see what ingredients you already have, then build your menu around those items. This approach helps reduce food waste and prevents you from buying unnecessary items at the store. 2. Buy used before buying new. In our consumer-driven society, it's easy to fall into the trap of always buying new items. However, opting for second-hand goods can save you a significant amount of money without sacrificing quality. I've furnished most of my home with second-hand items, and honestly, most people can't even tell. Thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace are treasure troves of gently used items at fantastic prices. From furniture and clothing to books and electronics, you can find almost anything secondhand. I once found a beautiful, solid wood dining table at a thrift store for just $50. It needed a bit of sanding and a fresh coat of varnish, but after a weekend of work, it looked brand new. 3. Utilize coupons and discounts. I used to think couponing was too time-consuming, but with a little organization, it's become a painless part of my shopping routine. Start by signing up for loyalty programs at stores you frequently visit. Many of these programs offer exclusive discounts and personalized coupons based on your shopping habits. I've saved a ton on groceries just by using my store's loyalty card. When shopping online, always do a quick search for promo codes before checking out. I once saved $50 on a new pair of running shoes just by taking a minute to search for a coupon code. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am frugal" in the comments below. And if you're ready to declutter your home, don't forget to join my 7-day declutter challenge, where you'll get daily checklists to help you declutter step by step. Plus, some exclusive bonuses to keep you motivated along the way. It's only available for a limited time, so click the link in the description or the pinned comment to join now. 4. Limit dining out. Eating out can be a major drain on your wallet. While it's nice to enjoy a meal at a restaurant occasionally, making it a regular habit can seriously impact your budget. When I first started tracking my expenses, I was shocked to see how much I was spending on dining out each month. Instead of completely cutting out restaurant meals, try to limit them to special occasions or set a specific budget for eating out. When you do dine out, look for budget-friendly options or consider sharing a meal with a friend. Many restaurants serve portions large enough for 2 people. If you're meeting friends, suggest hosting a potluck dinner instead of going out. Everyone can bring a dish to share, making it a fun and budget-friendly social event. I've had some of my most memorable evenings hosting potlucks with friends, and it's a fraction of the cost of dining out. 5. Declutter regularly. A key aspect of frugal living and minimalism is regular decluttering. By regularly assessing your belongings and getting rid of items you no longer need or use, you create more space in your home and potentially generate some extra cash. I make it a habit to go through my belongings every few months. It's amazing how much stuff we accumulate without realizing it. Start with one room or even one drawer at a time. Ask yourself if you've used the item in the past year and if it brings value to your life. If the answer is no to both questions, it's probably time to let it go. 6. Stick to a budget. Creating and sticking to a budget is crucial for frugal living. A budget helps you understand where your money is going and identifies areas where you can cut back. When I first started budgeting, I was surprised to find how much I was spending on small, seemingly insignificant purchases. Start by tracking all your expenses for a month. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits. Then create categories for your expenses like housing, food, transportation, entertainment. Allocate a specific amount to each category based on your income and financial goals. 7. Engage in free activities. Entertainment doesn't have to be expensive. There are countless free or low-cost activities you can enjoy. I found that some of my most memorable experiences didn't cost a dime. Start by exploring your local community. Many cities offer free concerts, art exhibitions, or movie screenings in parks during summer months. Libraries often host book clubs, workshops, and other events at no cost. Nature is a great source of free entertainment. Go for hikes, have picnics in the park, or spend a day at the beach if you live near one. I found that spending time outdoors not only saves money, but also improves my mood and overall well-being. 8. Audit your spending annually. An annual spending audit is a crucial habit for maintaining a frugal lifestyle. Once a year, take a deep dive into your financial statements to identify any unnecessary expenses or areas where you can cut back. I usually do my spending audit in January, reviewing the previous year's expenses. I look for recurring charges I might have forgotten about, such as subscriptions or memberships I no longer use. It's surprising how many small charges can slip through unnoticed over the course of a year. During your audit, ask yourself if each expense aligns with your values and financial goals. Are you getting value for your money? Could you find a cheaper alternative? I once realized I was paying for 2 different music streaming services. By choosing one and canceling the other, I saved over $100 a year. 9. Plan ahead to avoid impulse buys. Impulse buying can quickly derail even the best-laid financial plans. By planning ahead and being mindful of your purchases, you can avoid unnecessary spending and stay on track with your frugal living goals. Before going shopping, always make a list and stick to it. I find it helpful to plan my grocery shopping around my meal plan for the week. This ensures I buy only what I need and reduces food waste. For larger purchases, implement a waiting period. If you see something you want, wait at least 24 hours before buying it. Often, the urge to buy passes and you realize you didn't really need the item. I once had my eye on an expensive gadget, but after waiting a week, I realized I could easily live without it. 10. Learn DIY skills. Learning to do things yourself can save you a significant amount of money over time. From basic home repairs to crafting and cooking, DIY skills can help you avoid costly services and create things you might otherwise buy. Start small and gradually build your skills. YouTube tutorials, library books, and community classes are great resources for learning new skills. I started by learning how to hem my own pants and do basic sewing repairs. Now, I rarely need to replace clothes due to small tears or loose buttons. For home maintenance, learn how to do simple tasks like fixing leaky faucets or painting rooms. These skills can save you hundreds in handyman fees. Cooking is another valuable DIY skill. Learn to make staples like bread, yogurt, or your favorite takeout dishes at home. There you have it, 10 habits for frugal living. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to join my free 7-day declutter challenge to take your decluttering journey to the next level. Click the link in the description to sign up.